up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm in pajamas today because it is literally raining outside. It's been raining for like 2 weeks now, and it's flooding in San Francisco. So yeah, just pray for them up there, down there, wherever it is on the map. I don't know. And yeah, but I do applaud the mailing people like FedEx, Amazon, UPS, all of them, because they are getting packages out in the freezing cold rain. Still they getting packages out, so I applaud them for that. So yeah, today we're going to do an unboxing today because I gotta unbox it anyway, so why not unbox it on camera, and y'all like these type of videos. So yeah, I got some beans. I got some beans, and the box is so big, like I'm not understanding. But yeah, so I already opened them and tried them on, cause yeah, so I'm just gonna open them with y'all. Oh my god, my beans. I got some Stack Platform, whatever you want to call it, beans. These are so freaking cute. I got a size. Did y'all know Vans run in men's sizes? I did not know that. So I got a 7.5 in men, and that is a 9 in women. That is my shoe size I wear now. It depends on the shoe. It depends on the shoe, because I can fit some. And you know what? Can we just talk about that for a minute? My feet are like weird as fuck sometimes. Like sometimes I can wear 8, a 8.5, a 9, and a 9.5. But it really depends on the shoe. You know what I'm saying? And that makes me mad because I be wanting to buy shoes online and I can't because I gotta try it on to see what size fits me best. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, that's annoying. But yeah, these are very, very cute. Like, okay, in my skates, I wear a 10. How? In my skates, I wear a 10. Vans, I wear a 9. In Uggs, I wear a 9. In Converse, I think I wear an 8. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah. These are really, really cute. I absolutely love them. And I think I'm going to get the white cleaner because these are an all white shoe, but I don't plan on wearing these much. Actually, I do. I'm not gonna lie. I do plan on wearing these much. I plan on wearing these a lot, actually. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna try it on for y'all to now, I didn't see this. This shit says Kayla. On the shipping label. My name is Kyla, and it's literally, you know what, I don't know, I really feel like people is just dumb as fuck, right? Because my name is Kyla, K-Y-L-A. Sound it the fuck out. Kyla. Common sense. It's spelled, it sounds just how it's spelled. K-Y-L-A. 4 fucking letters. Kayla. Where are you getting the A from? Where are you getting an extra A? K-A-Y-L-A. Where the fuck are you getting that from? And I be letting them say it too. Like, okay, when I used to go to school, I would let them say it. Kayla Horton? Oh, she's not here? I'm gonna mark her absent. Okay. Because that's not my fucking name. I don't respond to shit that's not my name, bitch. I don't respond. Like, my great aunt be calling me Carla, and she think I'm finna respond to that shit. You hear me talking to you? Who the fuck you talking to? Because that's not my fucking name. Get the fuck. Kyla. Not Carla. Get the fuck right. Anyway. These are my shoes. I'm gonna try these on. For y'all. But yeah, that should be pissing me off. Like, why the fuck would you expect me to respond to something that's not my name? And then my mom was like, well, you can correct them. No. They gonna correct it when they figure out I'm not gonna answer to that dumbass shit. The fuck? Either I don't say shit at all or I make it a big ass deal. So like sometimes I just won't say shit and they'll figure it out for themselves. Oh, maybe I'm saying her name wrong. Or sometimes I'll just make it a big ass deal. That's not my fucking name. I'll say some snooty ass shit like that. Cause no. I feel like the most disrespectful thing you could ever do is get somebody's name wrong. I don't know. I just feel like that's so disrespectful. And people don't even be having like remorse when they do it. You know what I'm saying? Because if I say somebody's name wrong, I know how that feels. So I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be apologetic. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know. Blah, blah, blah. Then, oh, whatever your name is. They be like, Kayla, my name is Kyla. Whatever your name is. You got the right one when you speak to me. Because now when I cuss you out, I'm wrong. You disrespected me by getting my name wrong. And now when I correct you, you say whatever your name is, whoever you are. Now I got to cuss your dumb ass out because you're not finna play with me. Anyway. I'm gonna trip y'all. So, I'm gonna put my leg up. Hold on. So this, damn, y'all can't see it. Hold on. So this is the, oh my God, it's so cute. It's so cute. So this is the shoe. I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to get these in black as well, even though I already have bands in black. But I don't have these, you know what I'm saying? I don't have platforms. I don't know. I really like platform shoes now for some reason. I'm looking at them in the mirror. I don't know. I really like platform shoes. They feel kind of heavy. I'm not gonna lie. They do feel a little bit heavy, but it's because of the shoe. It's because of the platform. But yeah, these are so cute. I absolutely love them. They are definitely gonna get worn. And yeah, I don't know. I have a thing for platform shoes lately. Oh my God, did I show y'all? I think I did. These are on top of the box and not in the box for some reason. You know what? Let me put a box up. Because I'm going to put these in the box. What is in this box? I hate this dumbass shit, but that's not, this isn't my house, so. Oh, these. Okay, so these are the difference. Which one would you prefer? I just feel like the platform ones look more girly. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the platform ones just look better. Yeah. So I'm definitely gonna get these in platform as well. Because, I don't know. I just think they're cuter. And then I have these. These are so fucking cute. Look at them. Y'all. I love these. I just love shoes now. Like, yeah. But in these, I think I wear, hold on. Okay, so these are a men's 8, which is a woman's 9.5. Do you see? Like, what the fuck? But it looked like the same, like, I'm just, okay. Anyways, I'm not sure why these Vans are in my Converse box. But I'm gonna put these back in the box. Bam. These are definitely going in the box because they're white shoes. Yo, they're so cute. Oh my God. And I paid $50. Hold on, you can see on my receipt. I want y'all see my address. But yeah, you can see right there. $50. $50 for these shoes. Them Converse was not on sale. Them was $125, but my mama bought those for Christmas, so yeah. So yeah, y'all, that was my little unboxing of my Vans, my platform Vans. I absolutely love them. And yeah, that is it for this video. Like I said, I'm gonna get these in platform as well because I just like the look of them. So yeah, and you can wash these too. I remember I went on a hike with these and they were like genuinely fucked up, but I put them in the washer and they got all clean. So yeah, and I had these for a minute now. Like, I really have had this for a minute. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Treese. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Treese 98. And I'll see you on my next video.